Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be showing you how to cook my delicious Mexican rice. You will need a medium-sized pan, 1 cup of white rice, like a fourth of tomato sauce, and 1 cube of Knorr Tomate. And then we have our garlic. You could use, if they're big, you could use one. If they're small, you could use both. And we have a tomato. And then we're gonna use a fourth of onion. You could either use yellow onion, white onion, or purple. It's your choice. Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna go ahead and rinse our white rice. Now that we washed our rice, we're gonna go ahead and pour the olive oil, or you can use any type of oil. And this is maybe like a 1.5 tablespoons. And then we'll go ahead and pour our washed white rice. We'll go ahead and saute it. We're going to go ahead and saute it until it gets a little brown, okay? We'll just leave it there. So we're going to go ahead and keep sauteing it. And we could leave it here for a little bit until, it gets a little brown. And then for meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and cut up our onion, our garlic, and tomato. We're going to go ahead and cut our white onion. I'm going to go ahead and use the white onion. So let's cut it. And this is the way I usually cut it. A fourth of onion will be fine for 1 cup of rice. So then when you put it all together, slice it like that. And then turn this around like this. And you just want it in little squares. Okay, let's check on our rice again. Stirring it. Okay, it's almost ready. Just a little bit more. So we'll just go ahead and let it get a little bit more brown. Okay. I'm gonna cut up the garlic. Okay. Little squares. And then this on the side. Do the we cut them really small so you don't really get to see them once they're sauteed. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and start with our tomato. Okay, let's go ahead and add our onion first. Okay, once you see it's a little brown, it's getting to, it's a little gold, so we're gonna go ahead and add our onion. Go ahead and saute it. This is not cut, so I'm going to take it off. I like them really nicely cut. Okay, so let's just saute that. So once I do that for a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and add my garlic and my tomatoes. Go ahead and bring them. Okay, now we're going to go get our garlic and our tomato, but of course we're going to add boiling water. So I'm going to go ahead and start my water process. You can hear my water boiling. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add my garlic and my tomato. I'm going to mix it up. saute it for a little bit. And you know, we are gonna need tomato sauce. Let's saute our rice again. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put the cube of Knorr Tomate. And then kind of saute it. Okay, we'll go ahead and add our tomato sauce. Saute it. Tomate a little bit. Okay, once you put the tomato sauce and you saute it, we're going to go ahead and add our boiling water. We're going to put 2 cups of boiling water. 1 and then 2. Okay, we're going to go ahead and mix it. So once it starts boiling, we could go ahead and cover it, okay? It's already boiling, so let's go ahead and cover it, and then we're gonna lower down the temperature on medium, low, and we're gonna cook it for 20 minutes, and it should be ready. Okay, let me check my rice. It does seem a little dry, so I'm going to go ahead and add a half a cup more of water. Let's go ahead and check our rice. It seems ready. So we're going to go ahead and serve it. Looks really good. Came out fabulous.